Oh my god, that was amazing but scary. 3 whales all just kind of breaching and slapping, and we could see them. We throttled down, so we were just in neutral floating because they were coming quite close to us and just crossing our bow. And then they dived a bit, and then I looked down at my feet and there was bubbles coming right up underneath me. I'm like, holy hell. That was close. But then they just kind of swam off but down behind us and continued to sort of breach. It looked like 2 adults and a little baby. So that was pretty exciting but scary, because if we didn't see them and throttle down, we probably would have hit them. Would have been a bit bad. Anyway, that was our excitement. We're just off the tip of Cape Bowling Green at the moment on the way to Townsville. We'll be keeping our eyes peeled for more whales, that's for certain.